This is London.
Ten o'clock, Greenwich Mean Time. From the BBC World Service, this is Newsdesk with Ian Purden. The headlines. Rescue teams are converging on northwest Turkey following yesterday's earthquake, the second to hit the region in 3 months. Latest figures put the number of dead at 250, with many more injured. A high-level Indonesian government delegation is visiting the troubled province of Aceh to try to stem demands for independence. South Korea's top police officer has been sacked following allegations of police corruption arising from a big fire last month. And it's been confirmed in Kosovo that all 24 people on board a UN plane which crashed on Friday have been killed. Also, in the next half hour, information from the flight recorder of the Egypt airplane which crashed off the United States last month. And a welcome from Afghanistan's northern neighbours for the United Nations' hardline approach to the ruling Taliban movement. Rescue teams are heading for northwest Turkey following a major earthquake, the second to hit the region for 3 months. At least 250 have died and many more are thought to be trapped beneath the rubble of collapsed buildings. The government says casualty figures are almost certain to rise. Our correspondent Chris Morris is in Düzce, the epicenter of the quake, and has sent this report.
Dozens of buildings have tumbled down in the towns of Düzce and Kaynaşehir. Many hundreds of people are still trapped beneath the rubble. Crowds of dazed survivors are standing in the freezing morning air, wondering why this has happened again so soon after the last earthquake struck. On the main Ankara-Istanbul motorway, lorries lie on their side, flipped over by the power of the tremor.